Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Cody Bad with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. Electronic trading of the government of Jamaica bonds is now open to investors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE. Speaking at the bond launch on Tuesday, the JSE's Chief Executive Officer, Livingston Morrison, says the platform will address the long-standing absence of a properly regulated secondary market for government securities such as bonds after issuance. Previously, transactions were conducted bilaterally away from the scrutiny of the JSE with limited price discovery and transparency.
Until today, if fund managers wanted to reduce exposure to a particular bond in response to change in interest rate expectations or increase allocation to different maturities, the only option was to negotiate bilaterally with a counterparty with no transparent market price to anchor the transition. Of course, we captured information on the transactions in JamClear CSD, but the pricing was not always not apparent. That is not a warehouse problem. That is a problem rooted in the absence of a marketplace.
Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, Richard Biles, says the platform is designed to enhance liquidity, transparency, and efficiency in the local bond market.
It is a fundamental truth that when markets are illiquid, prices are likely to be more volatile. Liquidity is therefore one of the critical factors of a fair and efficient market. Equally so, transparency, where the positions of participants are visible, traceable, and verifiable, is important. The publishing of pre- and post-trade information enhances this transparency and should result in competitive and informed bidding.
The absence of a structured secondary market also affected Jamaica's financial system. Without a reliable domestic yield curve, which is the benchmark against which other financial instruments are priced, market development was constrained, something the platform is expected to change.
It will facilitate monetary policy assessments and allow actuaries and auditors working in the insurance and pension sectors to derive yield curves and discount rates that comply with the new IFRS 17 standards in place since 2023.
16 government securities with a combined value of over $600 billion are now available for trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, with settlement taking place in JamClear. 7 trades have already been executed, valued at almost $1 billion. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.